Alrighty, Jacob all here. I'm doing another quick one. The bit bins that we have. One of the things I'm always obsessed with, if you saw the last one of the OMT, is what of these kits will fit in these bit bins, and I ran across this guy. So let's open it up. That's one drink. Chainsaw! I don't know what that was. Oh, well, that's super disappointing. Okay. Trash out of the way, and now I have to clean the entire house. Barn. Okay, are you ready to see what's in this beautiful case? Oh, actually. Right? And I've heard there is a secret. Hey, one of you crazy cool kids, will you grab me the yellow handled screwdriver over there? So this, let's see, did I end up cutting this with a chainsaw? I did not. I didn't cut it with a chainsaw, but that's okay. So this is my, hey, will you get that thing you just knocked, kicked around? So this is my favorite screwdriver for disassembling Packout stuff. So that comes out. And if you look, it fits in one of the bit bins. Let's do this one. Right? And I've showed people this before. You can see where the little nubs are. Okay? Put your screwdriver into the nub next to it and just bend. Put the screwdriver into the nub next to it and bend. And there you go. It comes out of the shockwave case. Now, you can take a bit bin. This is a bunk bin. You can get your, it's actually easier if you take your item out of the case. Okay. Looks like I did it upside down again. Oh. I just needed to seat it a little better. Boom. Boom. And now this can fit inside of one of my plumbing packouts and stay in place. And this, one second. Is actually for that reamer. So this is an example of a bunk bin with a normal bin, which this bin is just missing the lip. But this would go in a full-size Packout, and you could have both of those. Granted, the unorganized people out there, just throw that there and take this whole thing and throw it like that in your box. Because Kaizen foam's crazy. But if you actually want to be organized, put the pipe ream in there. Extra blades for these can go up top. And there you go. A little Packout pipe cutter setup for your plumbing. For your plumbers and your plumbing and your plumber. So, thanks for watching. I might have joined those two together. I might not. They might be separate videos. If you're watching this end and they're together, then it's a 7-minute video. If not, this is the first video I've ever done under 7, 13, 12, 4. It's going up. I better stop. Back out.